Hi everyone, this is how to make an animation in Scratch. So it will be a simple animation, like you learn how to make a simple animation. So let's go. Alright, make your character. I will make a stick figure. A girl stick figure, for some reason I want to. Fat hands. Then you could suppose to make a new frame, or you can duplicate the frame and then change where their position is slowly. I have a Scratch add-on, which is Scratch add-ons, which allows me to do onion skinning. So this is what this is what the thing does. It makes onion skinning, so every time you duplicate the frame and then, slowly move it, you see where it was. So this is my animation. And then he will slowly stop. Up like because he wants to stop. And you can add some extra frames by duplicating. And then this is where you can draw now. If you want, your animation will be different from mine, so you'll need to draw at different frames. So this guy, my character, will talk. Look at this frame now. So he is talking now. Right, so he says time to sleep, because he wants to, obviously. Then I'll duplicate the frames. And I'll make a new frame since I want him to be doing something else. So then he teleports to sleeping mode. And then he sleeps for the rest of the night, which is the end. So, time for the code. So, when green flag clicked, forever, change next to backdrop. And then I'll set it to the first frame. This is really crucial. Wow, this is smooth animation, chachos. Alright, so I will do repeat. How much frames do you have? I have 16. Then minus it by 1, which is 15. Actually, I'll do 14 because there's an end screen. So yeah. Actually, I should do 15. Alright, that's animation. But I could do with this being much longer so people can read it. Alright, animation's about trial and error. You can never get stuff right on the first try. So now it's 22, but now minus it by 1, which is 21. Alright, time to sleep, and then he sleeps. Whoopsie, I forgot to add his hands. What is a man without hands? Or I should say woman. Alright, the woman has hands now. Alright, you've made your animation. I recommend watching some tutorials about tweening and untweening, because I can't cover this all in one video. Well, all I can say is that once you get good at it, you can make really good animations. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye as always. I will make videos. Goodbye.